Hello everybody. First, know the part's name eyeball, which is spherical, iris, then pupil, eyelid, upper, lower, eyebrow, the hairs, eyelash, fold above upper eyelid. The eyeball is completely not visible to us. It is covered by orbicularis oculi muscle, and the iris is generally also not fully visible. Generally, little part is always inside the upper eyelid. First, the distance between two eyes is equal to the width of eye. Second, where both eyes start from middle, actually nose ends at the same distance. Third, the size of pupil varies with the amount of light and in the room. This part is called glabella. Below this is nasal bone and other remaining nose is cartilage. So remember that where glabella ends, this gives border for upper eyelid and same for lower eyelid where the nasal bone ends. While drawing eyebrow, remember start upright and slowly bend. We are going to draw eyes with 5 lines. The upper and lower most point create diagonal. While drawing eyelids, make upper eyelid darker, that is apply more pressure and also make hard edges, while lower side should have low pressure and should be soft. Next, while drawing eyelashes, just make some zigzag lines for upper eyelashes or hatching and add some curves. And remember, eyeball is a sphere, so it should be seen in a sketch. So add little shading on white part also, like this. Child or Asian peoples have fold on their eye called epicanthal fold. We will see this in part 2. We will also see how to draw eye at different angles in part 2. This was all about drawing eye from front view. Remember, watching swimming video is not going to teach you swimming. So practice and don't forget to subscribe the channel.